Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builds and Brightway Insurance. Also know the builder. Coming to you on one of my projects here. I'm always the last one to leave, so I'm good. And yeah, so we started the block. We finished up the slab, which came over quite nicely. And right now we're doing the installing the block. There was some kind of things we had to do. We had to knock down a wall because it was, in our opinion, it was not structurally sound. So we're going to rebuild that. And yeah, we're moving, man. I got everything here ready for the tie beam, and this is what we do at Darmac Builders. We are builders. Uh, we've been for over 20 some odd years. This is a major renovation where we took the whole roof off. We converted a single story into a two-story, and we're, you know, moving right along. So I thank you guys for listening, tuning in. Hopefully you guys are learning things as I go along. Um, I'm not editing my videos, so some things may be, you know, like now, delayed and processing my thoughts. But I'm trying to teach you guys some things, and on all my jobs, I'm always the last to leave because I like to assess the situation. I like to meditate on my job. I like to look at it, stand back, and say, okay, this is what I need tomorrow, or the next day. And I realize that I need more block. I need this, and get it going, and try to uh, make sense of the other projects and make sure they come in line because I have a concrete pour tomorrow. I got to be here. And I got help. Don't get me wrong. I got help. I got people that's helping me with everything that's going on. So it's not a one-man show. So turn around and give you guys some look at what we got going on. So as you can see, we got the columns going up. Block is here. We're going up here. There's block there. Well, we got to go courses up. Got another column going over there. Block going in. Some walls have gone coming in. And there was a wall here at one point. There was a wall right here at one point. Right here. So we knocked that down. Then we got to rebuild it. See, I got my material here. That's my material that I reuse. Yes, I do reuse it. So, and this wall over here, this has got to go up like maybe, I think 7 more courses right there. Because like I said, we're turning this into a 2-story. That's the garage area over there. They did some cutting. We got to form that, make that a tie beam. Got material, scaffolding, post shoring out there. So we're good. So in the morning we got to come here very early, and I kind of like got my bullet points as far as what I need to have done, what I must have done, even though it's a Friday. Okay, I get it, and let's see how much I can get done. Because the goal is to start on a tie beam, get that ready, get that because that's gonna take a little bit, as far as getting that prepared and ready for everything. And I got material out there as well. Some material is covered, and we're good. So hey, keep watching, keep tuning in. We go, and they did some cutout on the windows there. We're gonna fill that up based on the masonry openings. And so the one thing about a job, you got to keep it going. You have to be consistent at it. You have to be very intentional about it, and pretty much know your shit at the end of the day. So here we are. And even though I got all this block here, you see, I'm short because I already did my block count. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to be able to finish. And one thing I don't like is when I got guys working, I don't like for them to be like, oh, we out of block, and that's on me. But this is a situation where it's still going to be on me. I'm making excuses where a wall is down, and now I'm trying to get block in for the, like in 24 hours. If I do that, I'm good. But anyways, keep watching, keep tuning in, and until the next time, peace.